Hi guys, Joe here. Today we're going to look at the Camelwell 1.2 liter kettle. Now I've heard a lot of things about this kettle, and I needed a new kettle basically because mine's only for one person and I need at least a two-person for an upcoming camping trip. So this one I've seen a lot of reviews on, a lot of pros and cons, but it fit the budget price of £15. So what you get in it, excuse the noise, it's very windy and it's raining. So you get a little sack to put it in after you have soot all over it. And then here's the kettle. Okay. So this is gonna annoy me. That might be a future mod. I have seen mods about that. But it also opens from the top and it's quite large. And also has all the numbers on the inside there. You can see it almost. But it does have a punch on the inside. Now you also have a lid on it. There. I mean a bell handle there. And it has holes there, drainage holes for the kettle pot. But I have seen people drill these holes bigger, saying it doesn't pour quick enough. But I'll have to be a judge for that myself personally. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get a fire going and see how this turns out. Just a quick one. I did have a wall here for like a windbreak type wall, but I covered it with a fire blanket. So no sparks or anything will come into my little wood pile, which I have over here. But also, if any kind of emergencies, I can just flip it over and cover it out, and then, you know, make everything a bit more safe if anything is out of control. So while the fire is getting ready, let me just give you some specs. The height is 120 millimeters or 4.72 inches, and it also has the same diameter, which is 4.72 inches. The weight is 340 grams or 12 ounces. So like I said, this pot here stands up nicely, so you can just get a stick and lift it off and check what you're doing. But my main thing is I'm gonna use it as is now, and if these get in my way, I might fix that. But also I'm going to use that hanging pot for now. Just get this going. For a tripod, I'm just going to use this one here. I either got it off the Bushcraft trade group on Facebook or Wish. I can't remember which one. I think it was a trade group though. And it comes with everything you need. Yeah, you can make one out of wood, but I already have this, so I'm just going to use this one. It's boiling. Alright, the wind's picking up, so I'll try to talk a little bit louder. Right, so I got my Stanley cook set here. And what we're going to do is, let's see how fast this pours, because that's what one of the complaints were about it. That's good enough for me. Yeah, that's fine. I'm not gonna. We have time. It's not like in a rush. Ooh. Right. So, not sure if you know this about the standing cook set. I did show it in a past video. But if you really like coffees, right, here's some coffee grinds. Just gonna chuck in there. If you get a cafetiere top, a lot of the cafetiere tops fit the standing cook set perfectly. I mean, you can't get any better than that. That's like it was made for it. And then you just slowly push down. Give it a couple of minutes. Then we'll have a nice cup of coffee. And then we'll do a recap of what we have here. Just pop the lid back on, and then that way nothing creepy crawlies get into it. There it is. Right, so what do I think about the Camelwell 1.2 litre? I think the lid does fit securely on it. The handles are really cool. That wasn't too bad. I use gloves anyway because the last thing I need to do is burn myself again. Bail works well, but these, I might fix that. So basically what you do is just pinch. See this bit here? Just pinch that in, just flatten it out a bit, and that should do it. I'm not going to waste a whole video on that. But yeah, just grab some pliers, make sure you come over the lip and just pinch these two in a little bit. And if you wanted to make those drain holes a bit bigger, just use a little bit of a Dremel. Just do a couple of holes. I wouldn't do all of them, just do a couple and you're fine. So yeah, I mean, £15. I can also put food in there, cook it like a MRE or whatever, you know, but mix coffee. That's all I need really. I need something that I could make coffee and then also use the hot water for food, which is what I wanted. So there you have it, just a quick intro to this nice kettle. You can get it off Amazon. No problems with it. I said minus that noise. I hate it's a thing of mine. I don't like tapping or whatever. That's just my OCD thing. But yeah, it works well. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you own one of these? Did you mod it yourself? Would you recommend it? But yeah, so that's my first fire in this little pit I made here as well. And pretty well, but as you can hear, the weather's pretty bad this last 3 weeks. So thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.